see you too. I'm good. How are you? Good to see you too. Yes.
I'm bumping in.
Gorgeous. What are you wearing today?
Thank you. Bradley Bayou and Stuart Weitzman shoes and purse and vintage jewelry.
What did you love about this?
The color, obviously just like bright, and it's taking a risk. So that's what I've learned with my stylist, and I just love the color of it. It's fun, and I thought it'd be great for tonight.
Now tell me that you're here to support Kenny. Is that what's
Yes, yeah, I'm presenting with Zach an award for Kenny Ortega.
Oh my gosh. So why is he so deserving of this?
Oh, he's the most amazing man ever. He's got not only is he such a great director, but he's got such a great heart, and he's got such an amazing vision. He's so great. I love the man. He's, created something so huge, with all of us, and he's so deserving of this award.
And what were you doing while getting ready tonight?
What was I doing? Watching TV, I guess. Yeah, watching TV, hanging out with my dogs. Just be normal.
So is it an easy process? I mean, at this point, when you come to a big show, do you get glammed up? You
Swimming has now become.
Yeah, no, I do have a hair and makeup, obviously, and then I go over, wardrobe with my stylist the night before. But really, I'm just kind of like, I'm not like that, crazy. I'm someone who can like find an outfit maybe in like 20 seconds or something. I just go through it, and then I'm like, I know this is the one. Like, I'll try on 5 outfits, but once I see and I know it's the one, that's it. So.
Lastly, what are you most looking forward to about
I have to bring her back one, and then I'll
just
bring
being
her
here with
forward.
all the stars.
promise.
I mean, Eva's so amazing, and she's always wearing beautiful outfits. So I can't wait to see what she has on tonight.
Perfect. Well, have fun.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
She has been a lifelong idol of mine. I don't. I just have to say, I just give her a shout out. I'm so excited.
And what are you most looking forward to today?
Today. Man, we're just so excited.